Good morning. Welcome back to my channel. The time right now is 7:30, and here's the bike. It is fully loaded. The side bags, the panniers, and it's time to leave now. So I picked up my girl to look at how ready she is for the ride, with riding shoes, full protective gear. Yeah. So we'll leave now. We'll fuel up first at Kunkulim. I'll put on the motovlogging setup, and without wasting time, we'll leave. We were supposed to leave at 4, but by the time we were done with this, it was already like 3 o'clock that we went to sleep, and then 1 hour of sleep was not sufficient. So we decided that we'll take 3 hours, and then we'll continue the ride. So yeah, the sun, the sunrise is also already on the other side, and let's leave. And finally we are out at 7:40. Every time I think that I'll go on the ride early, but it's not just possible for me with so many things to do. But finally we are out, and we are heading to Kerala right now. So in Kerala we'll be staying at Kozhikode today, because actually we wanted to go to Alleppey, but Alleppey is too far for us for one day. It's around 19 hours of ride, and that's not just possible in one day. So we'll fuel up first at Kunkulim, and the weather update is that it is okay. The climate is okay. I had worn my warmer earlier, but I came out and I saw that the climate is okay, so I just took it off. So we have reached the petrol pump, and I'll directly do the full tank. The liter in Goa is 96.57. I'll not be using this thing speed because I have compared this one and that one. It's almost the same. Only that is, I think, more better for the super bikes and all. So it's almost full, and it's on the first cut only. I will stop it there. So we have reached Karmal Ghats, and we are almost done with it. We have crossed half of it, and we are really enjoying. We have been planning this ride for such a long time now. It has been almost a year that we have been planning this ride, and finally it feels so good to start the ride today. Despite all the heavy schedule, heavy hectic work, and the other travel plans, we planned this. We tried to get everything ready before going for before going to Velankani, and here we are finally. So actually what is the thing is that we are connected on intercom. You all must have seen the other videos wherein we have bought the intercom and gotten the bike ready and all. So we are connected to intercom, and it feels so good. We are talking, we are singing, we are laughing, and it feels connected. Otherwise mostly it becomes that just one person is riding and the behind one is just God knows what even she is doing. It becomes like that. But this time I'm really enjoying the ride. Only thing is, we should have left a lot earlier. We wouldn't have faced so much of traffic, but we cannot help that. And since we have started the ride, we will carry on and we will enjoy every part of it. Reached Kanakona. The ride up till now is really smooth. Only thing is that there are a lot of cows on the road. Even behind on the main guards, there were so many cows. Because of that, there was a lot of traffic that was stuck. But now from here it's straight roads. You all are gonna enjoy the views, and I'm gonna enjoy the ride too. And we are almost on the border. There are no cops here. I think they'll be in front. So we are on the Goa Karwar border, Goa Karnataka border, and I just hope that they don't ask us to open all our bags and all and check, because after 9 they do the same thing everywhere. They'll ask to open the bags and all. Basically they are checking for liquor, that we are not taking any. They will ask us to open the panniers and all at times, but today looks like there is no checking over here, which is great news for us. Yes, there's no checking. Welcome to Uttara Karnataka, Kannada. And we are in Karnataka now. And these highways are good. These are all 4-lane highways right up till Bangalore. I don't know what's going to be after Bangalore. So, you know, I was just thinking why this road is closed. And then I realized that this bridge was had collapsed like 4-5 months earlier. So this is the only one that's left now. And you know, in and around everywhere there are all construction boats, there are cranes, and you can see the earlier bridge. There are parts of it left which are here down, and they are working to rebuild that bridge. Almost everything is gone off it, or maybe no, maybe just like one part went and then they, you know, demolished the others as well. So finally we have made it to our first toll booth. This is the Hatikeri, yes, Hatikeri toll plaza. This is the first one that we get while going to Karnataka, and the first one on our ride as well. So last time, you know, we had tea somewhere in front, but this time what we are thinking is we won't be staying for, you know, normal cup of tea. We will directly have breakfast. The time right now is 9:16, so we will approximately have a breakfast at 10 or 10:30. There are two good restaurants on this way which I went to, and I am thinking of taking my girl as well, because the taste is good, the food is good, and the drinks are also good over there. So once we get that, we'll stop, but there's a long way for that. There's around 45 more minutes left for us to go over there. So right now we are in Honavar, and so we have to take a right over here, and this is to go, you know, Muddeshwar and all those areas, which is going straight to Kanyakumari. This is a straight road which is going to Kanyakumari as well, and there's a lot of traffic over here. I think the road in front is a bit narrow, that's why. Yes, from 2 lane it's merging into 1 lane. Oh, there's a rider in front as well. We stopped for this thing, breakfast here at Kamath restaurant. So we took a breakfast stop, and the bike is right there. It's attracting a lot of fans though of its own, and my girl is here. You see the marks on her face. These are all, you know, with that this thing, a bag that she puts. It's not a bag, it's a mask that she puts before wearing the helmet. And we enjoyed the ride up till now. So we'll just stop for breakfast here, and then we'll move on. So I ordered idli and she ordered onion uttappa. Our food is here. So I ordered idli and she ordered onion uttappa. Let's have. Yes. So we'll have this, and then we have maybe 10 more hours to ride. And the heat outside is, you know, quite a lot. So that's why we have come to the AC compartment of this. But yeah, we will have this and then we'll get back on the bike. So we are done with the breakfast and now we'll leave. Actually, we are running pretty late on time, and somehow we have to, you know, rush a bit, because the last that we can reach is at 8 o'clock, and I don't want to travel at night. Baby girl, how was it? And you know, now we can feel the heat right on us. It's I think the time, okay, it's 11:25. Kanyakumari is showing 868 kilometers from here, but we have to go up till, I guess, another 400 kilometers are left for us. So let's do that. You know, I like these buses. Every time I see, I mention them. Wait, I'll just show you all. here. You know, such cute small buses. It's like, you know, you buy one, make a RV of it, and you travel wherever you want. So we are with the first break of the day, and we have covered approximately around 150-200 kilometers. So we are somewhere in Hambody, that is what the boarding says. And here's my girl.
I'm so tired, my bump is hurting.
You see all the marks of that mask that she wears?
Yeah, somebody asked me if I got skin burn, sunburn.
Yeah, someone is asking her if you got sunburn. She has this thing. They were giving a sunscreen to her, but she already applied. But you know, her cheeks are always red. You take her to Margao, they are always red. And they thought that she is getting skin burn and all.
My bump is gone.
Actually, both of our butts are hurting a bit. So that's why we took a break. And this is normal. You know, you take any bike, you take any route, your butt will hurt only. Because we are doing around 3 hours patches. And it is quite normal for that case. So we'll just wait here for 5-10 minutes and then we'll move.
And it's my first time, so it's very tiring and I'm feeling sleepy. I don't know why I'm feeling sleepy.
Yeah, you know, after every 3 minutes I'm hearing Need Aata.
I'm literally feeling sleepy.
All the intercoms, I only hear this.
Then I start drinking water.
So we'll wait here and then we'll leave. You know, today there is a lot of rush, lot of traffic on the road, and I think it's because it's a Saturday and you know everyone is moving out to Rome. Let's see, hopefully we get this traffic only in Mangalore, and after that we get like good open roads. And the time right now is 1:30, so we'll wait for food at around 2:40 or 3 o'clock. We'll ride continuously, and Mangalore is just another 40 kilometers from here, not much. So we'll cross Mangalore first, we'll get done with all the traffic and all that, and after that we'll stop for food. So the total length that we have to go from this point is 325 kilometers. That is, we have to cross Kannur and then is Kozhikode. So we have to book a room in Kozhikode also. That will do while we wait for lunch at this thing after Mangalore. This is our second stop for fuel, and the liter here is 102, so we'll do a full tank only. So looking at the traffic, you all must have come to know that we have reached Mangalore. Even last time I reached at this time only, and this is a very miserable time to be in Mangalore. The traffic is so much, and my entire jacket is wet inside. At least, you know, my girlfriend's jacket is this thing, mesh. So there is a proper air ventilation for it. Mine is full cloth, so there is no chance of air ventilation for this one. So this is our second break. We were extremely dehydrated, so we stopped to have something. You know, the helmet is gone so hot, and this one took Kokum Natural Energy with him. I'll drink some energy drink only, and then we'll stop for food. I don't know, a bit later. So we'll check first. We got one Fuse and 2 Red Bulls, and this one will go in the hydration bag. You know, my girl is so tired, and we have another 7 more hours left to do, and you know, even I'm really exhausted. The heat outside is so much, you see. You know, we thought that it will be really cold and pleasant, and we bought body warmers and all, but now even wearing the inner is like very hot. So we'll drink this and we'll move out of here.
So right now we are in Kerala, and you can see the conditions of the road. So there are still constructing the highways, and before we have used the highway for like 5 minutes straight, and then the divergence were there, and we were stuck over there for 20 minutes straight. So like that we have crossed 20 divergence, so you can imagine 20 minutes we were stuck in the traffic. So for 100 kilometers it's showing for us 3 hours now. So we have 3 hours more to go to reach Kannur, and more power to go. So yeah, you can see the conditions of the road.
So we just came to a hotel, and the name is, I forgot, Golden Bakery, and we ordered biryani and all that. Actually the thing is we cannot motovlog in Kerala, so that's why I cannot show you the road, so I just asked her to record a video from behind. And she is here, she is looking for this thing, a hotel in Kozhikode. So we still have 173 more kilometers to reach Kozhikode, and it will be that we'll be riding at night today. Today we'll just push the limits, and from tomorrow we'll do a relaxed ride. So our food is here, and we ordered biryani. This is malai kebab, and this is naan. Here's my pineapple juice. My girl is not having anything with him because she is coughing all the way from Goa. She has come coughing. She has not had anything cold also, but I don't know how. So yeah, we'll have this, and the tension now is that we have not yet found a room in Kozhikode. So we are a bit worried because of that, because we don't want to search rooms after we reach there. We'll book something right now, and then we'll leave from here. And my girl has already started eating. How is it? Good? Yeah? Okay. So I'll show you all down, they have so much of chicken that they are cooking, and looking at that only we came to know this is a good restaurant, and we'll get fresh things over here. So that's why we came here, and the food is also good, it's him. So we'll enjoy it, and we'll meet you all on the bike. We are done with the food, and we packed our lunch, our dinner from here only. So now we'll just gear up all over again, and then we'll move for in between Kozhikode. We will be staying in somewhere in between Kannur and Kozhikode. Actually our plan was that we'll go to Kozhikode, but we don't have enough time so that we can reach there. So we'll try and manage somehow, and so we'll leave now in 5-10 minutes. The time is already 5:27, so we'll just do the payment and leave from there.
2 hours later.
So yes, after such a long time we have reached nowhere near Kozhikode. We are not even in this thing, Kannur. The traffic on this road is so much that it is becoming so difficult for us even to move 10 kilometers at a time. So Joshia's back is also paining, my hands were paining. I've been riding for more than 10 hours now, and she is talking on a video call. So yeah, it is becoming very difficult to ride, and it is not easy to ride for such a long time. Especially kudos to Joshia. It is, I'll tell you, for a person who is traveling for the first time, sitting behind for 10 hours is not fun. Yeah, that's pretty much it. We ordered tea, so this is black tea. I am having lots of sugar, and she is having no sugar at all. Actually, I am very tired. Hello, she's on a video call. So yeah, we'll drink the tea and all, and then move. I was actually asking the guy, if this is normal traffic, or it will be less. So he's telling me that this traffic is less now, and it will be more later. So what happens is, once it's 10 o'clock and all, 8, 9, 10, all the interstate travelers and all, they start roaming. So this heavy goods vehicle and all, they come up, and they will start going to Kanyakumari. So this is the only road that is connecting Karnataka, Kerala and Kanyakumari. So because of that, all the stock and all goes, and you see the rush on this road, and everywhere on the road there's construction. That's why it becomes a lot of hectic for us. But we have another 58 minutes to go. We will do that, and then we'll look for a room nearby. So we had our tea, and we are ready to leave now. The place that we stopped is Hot Stop, and my girl is bit fresh now. She's in a state to speak. Let's see if she has something to tell us. What would you like to say?
I'm so tired. I just put my riding boots on. My legs, oh my god. Like, I told him that my legs cannot breathe. There was a time where I could not. My back was like frozen. Not frozen. I could not even feel my back. It was so bad. I told him we'll wait somewhere, and then I took rest like this.
Heads off to her. You know, she's keeping up really well. And even when we went, me, Ian and my friend, even we had a really tough time. You know, sitting at the back. In the traffic, it is very difficult as compared to, you know, normal straight roads. So right now, let's get rolling back again. So this is the final stop of the day, and we will be reaching Kozhikode in 75 kilometers. We are not sure if we are going to Kozhikode or will stay early. And this is, you know, a really nice road that has come after ages of riding. So the bike is here, and my tired girlfriend is here,
I'm ready to do
who is really energetic right now.
I'm not
looking at the road. You know, before she was so dull, I'll tell you, while sitting near that tea stall. But now she saw this road, and all the energy has come back in her again.
need to do some warm up.
Okay, she needs to do some warm up with him. Don't drop your phone. Here's my bike, and you know, we are staying right next to the highway at the hotel. Oh, I can't see the name. Okay. Tirtha International. So we already checked in. We got the room and all, and we like the room also. So we just came to get a few clothes. We'll go up and I'll get dressed up, and then I'll meet you back. So I'm back in the room, and you know, I made a mess of the room. It is not in a state to be shown. I'll show it to you all tomorrow morning. So I had bath, and I'll edit the video now. You know, today was a really hectic ride. There was so much of off-road. From Goa to Karnataka and Kerala border, it was fine. But after that, you know, the roads, there were no roads at all. We are finding for the roads, but there are no roads. We have to go off-road. Few patches of roads, and that too, they look like the moon. But besides that, there were no roads at all. Actually, the problem in Kerala is that you cannot motovlog. So if you put a camera over here or here anywhere, on your chest, they impose a heavy fine. So because of that, I cannot motovlog here. But by day after tomorrow, I will be out of Kerala, and I'll be able to share all the amazing. So tomorrow morning, we'll be moving to Alleppey, and we'll see how the things are over there. We plan to do a houseboat ride for the night, but let's see how everything goes, and only then I'll be able to tell you all. And I think Alleppey from here is 8 hours. So tomorrow is also going to be a long journey for us. I just hope, you know, there are no much off-roads. I'll take the interior routes. Let's see how it goes. But I think that's it for today's video. I hope you have liked the video. If you have liked it, please do like, share, comment and subscribe. Till then, see you in the next video. Bye.